It is not always possible to express ourselves by the simple use of words. What you can learn from an audio-visual presentation is much more than a mere audio representation. The various presentation methodologies that were used in the past are no longer relevant. We come across numerous animation tools that can enhance the presentation of any matter. One such addition is the whiteboard animation, which is a digital take on the traditional Blackboard system. The whiteboard animation features are unique and make your users pay attention and aids in better representation of the required aspects of the matter being discussed. Some video companies utilize whiteboard animation video software as a marketing tool. Slide usage has decreased drastically with whiteboard animation as it gives the fluidity of presentation. Key highlights. Whiteboard animation is a useful marketing tool where you can make illustrations for the audience which is being told by drawing static images. Whiteboard animation videos can do marketing anywhere wherein persons can't go. What is whiteboard animation? Whiteboard animation is a video style that helps visitors understand better by drawing static images on the screen that can be presented as an animation as well. It makes some illustrations that walk the audience with a story told by drawing on the screen. These animations are simple, compelling and are often more engaging. Benefits of whiteboard animation video. It's a known fact that whiteboard animations look great and are more fun to watch. This unique software offers more to their audience along with the strict entertainment value. The numerous circumstances of whiteboard animation style videos provide you with incredible benefits regardless of your company size. Here are the compelling benefits of whiteboard animation software. Homepage animation video. What new visitors see first if they visit your site? Do they see a scary block of text which describes your company products and services? Or, do they see friendly, welcoming, engaging whiteboard animation message which shares your company information in a fun way? If you feel like your website text is getting your on-site visitor confused or frustrated, it may just be the right time to replace that text with animated whiteboard videos. These whiteboard videos tell or explain your company's story or your business philosophy in a fun way where your audience is engaged to watch and understand in depth. Replacing white papers with whiteboard animation video. You may have used white papers in the past to convey the information in detail. It also helps you to communicate highly technical knowledge with your audience. But, if you share the same information through whiteboard scribed format, it will be more engaging. For this, you need to focus on providing compelling and trustworthy content which your target audience finds useful. Also incorporate industry trends, new data and other insider information so that your whiteboard white paper turns to a valuable content marketing tool. Incorporate whiteboard animation video into the library. There are numerous websites which offer tutorial videos and other training videos on their websites. But, in reality, not all these videos hit the mark. Many end up being dull and uninspiring. Also, it doesn't make sense if you incorporate software interface rather than screen capture videos. You can use whiteboard videos to visualize your training videos and connect in depth with your product users. Use whiteboard animation video as an infographic. It's a known fact that infographic is the hottest type of content in the digital marketing world. Infographic means creating a graphically oriented image which visualizes data in new and exciting ways. But these graphics help attract new visitors and are still static where viewers should analyze their own about how to engage with and interpret the data. Whiteboard animation comes in handy here where it gives a new take on presentation and sharing an idea. Treat whiteboard animation video as a sales tool. The most compelling benefit of this whiteboard animation video is that it acts as a vehicle for sales message delivery. It is advantageous if you give sales pitches via videos compared to standard. Another crucial benefit is that whiteboard animation videos can go where your salespersons can't because these videos are digitally distributed and can incorporate on the web via email where in-person meetings are not possible. You can increase sales in this way where traditional methods are failed. Can be used with multiple sales channels. Whiteboard animation video is an essential tool for sales enablement. Large enterprises with multiple sales channels can use it. Ensure you train your employees on updated company procedures or messaging via whiteboard animation videos instead of having PowerPoint presentations and hoping to appropriately convey the required information. Thus, it ensures to share new information in a better, engaging and consistent way. Communicate a message effectively. These organic whiteboard animation videos can be used more in business sales and for messaging. Whiteboard Animation Software is a useful tool to create innovative and compelling benefits. Whiteboard scribing can illustrate the information in your mind if you want to educate your users on an issue to motivate and inspire your audience. Conclusion. Building a new business and generating success is very hard. Whiteboard Animation Software is a simple and effective marketing tool. It helps to satisfy your users in educating them by visualizing clear information through static drawings. It is more beneficial for new entrepreneurs. Now, think how whiteboard animation software is valuable for your startup. Incorporate this software to achieve better results and to attract more users. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.